In this video I'm going to show you how to apply the rules of logs that we learned for logs in general can also be applied to natural logs. So we have 2 times the natural log of 6 plus the natural log of 10 minus the natural log of 4. Remember always that this could also be written as 2 log to the base e of 6 plus log to the base e of 10 minus log to the base e of 4. So we could write it that way, but we're going to stick to the conventional way, which is using ln to indicate natural log. And if there's a case where we are going to use the power rule, then that's one we should use first. So let's move this 2 up. This is using the power rule, and that's going to give us the log of 6 to the power of 2. The other parts we're not going to change yet. Okay, so they stay the same. Now log of 6 squared, let's tidy that up. That's going to be log of 36 plus the log of 10 minus the log of 4. Right, we have addition and then we have subtraction. So we take them in the order from left to right. So the first part of this is going to be addition. So we have the log of 36 plus the log of 10. When we are adding logs, we multiply the numbers. Just consolidate them as a single log, but multiply the numbers. So 36 times 10 is 360. Minus the log of 4. We still have that minus the log of 4. So this is the last part that we're going to do, and that's going to give us the log of 360 over 4, which is equal to the natural log of 90. So that very first expression that we had here in the question can be simplified into a single log, the natural log of 90. Okay? Again, if you want to get an approximation for that, you can use the ln button on your calculator to do so, but our job was to write it simply as a single log. Okay? Thanks for watching.